Am I the asshole for slut-shaming my sister after I found a condom under my bed? Some info about me. I'm 23 female and I'm sex repulsed asexual. However, if someone loves sex, I'm not ever rude to them or think bad about them. If they have a healthy sex life and they're happy, then I'm happy for them too. So, end of my problem. My sister, 26 female, came to visit me with her fiance 4 days ago. They got engaged 2 weeks ago and I'm so happy for them. My sister knows that I'm asexual and how I feel about sex in general. I asked her nicely as I could that if they didn't do anything sexual in my house because I don't want to see anything or hear anything. Or at the very least, if they could just wait till I leave for school or work. She agreed and I thought that was it. However, the first night that they were here, I woke up to some weird sounds. And it took me a moment to realize what it was. They were having sex in the next room, very loudly. They didn't even close mine or their doors. I just put my headphones on and listened to some music. Needless to say, I didn't sleep well at all, and it affected my school and job performance the next day. There were a few more incidents after that when they had sex in the shower and then again at night. The next morning, I asked her again as politely as I could if they could keep it down and wait till I leave the house. She smirked and apologized and said it won't happen again and not to worry. Anyway, I was cleaning my room this morning and saw some trash under my bed, so I just took it out, and when I saw what it was, I almost threw up. It was a used condom. I screamed and threw it on the floor and just stood there in shock. My sister came in my room to see what was going on, and when she saw it, she looked surprised and then started laughing. Then she simply said, "Oops, sorry." I was so mortified and I could feel how I was about to cry, which I know is stupid, but it was just disgusting. I asked her if they did it on my bed and why they didn't clean up after themselves. She looked at me like I was a crazy person and just told me to stop overreacting. She said that people in real relationships have sex all the time. And then she said that I need to stop making being asexual/gay into my personality and that I need to just grow up. She said that normal men and normal women are meant to have sex with each other, and she just kept going on and on. This triggered me a lot since a lot of people have rejected me in the past because of my sexuality. Anyway, this is where I could be the asshole because I told her that this is my house and these are my rules, and if they can't respect that, then they can just screw off. And also I added that if two grown-ass people can't go a week without sex, then it's very pathetic and sad, and they need to learn to control themselves better. She got really upset and then started to cry. Her fiance was out at the moment, so she called him and then they left when he got back. They messaged me and said that I'm an asshole for slut-shaming my sister for being in love and that I needed therapy for my problems. But I think that they're the ones who need therapy. Okay, so here's an update about what happened next. So after they were finally out of my house, I took a shower and cleaned all of the rooms from top to bottom. And fortunately, I didn't find any more surprises. My sister and her fiance left and I got a text from their friend saying that they would come and get their things in a few hours. I still don't even know what the crap happened or why it happened to me, but I'm starting to realize how horribly she's been treating me after I came out to her. It's kind of sad that I didn't see all of the red flags before, but oh well. Anyway, I texted her and asked her what the heck happened and if they did it on purpose. Then I told her that it seems like she's trying to convert me to being straight. I thought it seemed like a creepy fetish, or at least that her fiance was forcing her to do it. I also texted her fiance asking him for an explanation, but he blocked me right away. My sister said that I had gave them a really bad bed and it was really small and uncomfortable for them. And then she said that I had such a nice bed that technically was her bed because she gave it to me when she moved out. So she said for that reason, she can do whatever she wanted with it. She said that she was sorry about what happened, but they did want to convert me and cure me and show me that sex is normal and healthy. And apparently they wanted to teach me a lesson because I've been making comments about normal people for having sex. And I have openly slut-shamed her friends and other people for doing natural things. Which I think she was referring to that time when I called her friend an asshole for cheating on her boyfriend. Or the time that I called her fiance's older brother, who's a 35-year-old man, a pervert for trying to hit on me. My sister said there's nothing wrong with having sexual attraction to others and that I need to get over myself. Anyway, she's still typing and I don't think I have any more energy to deal with this crap.